Jonathan, let us see your face. Jonathan.
Are you good luck or bad luck?
Guys, please, let's come down, please. This is not what we're here for, please. Jonathan, please. Take Jonathan. Come on, Jonathan.
For CPC, that's the Conference for Progressive Change. I stand here before you not as a politician. I stand before you as a Nigerian. Because we are all part of this struggle. What we are doing today is a manifestation of what the new Nigerian and the new Nigerian nation will really be. They have long ago, for a long time, underestimated our resolve. They don't know at all that we can ever come together like this. I have my party, the Conference for Progressive Change, when this fuel subsidy was removed, we brought out a release that this removal is a declaration of war on the Nigerian people. And that is the way we see it. Because the Jonathan regime does not mean well for the Nigerian people. Because for far too long, if you don't know, many of us are complaining about 1 billion naira that they are voted for feeding for this current fiscal year. But in 2010, the Jonathan regime voted 5 billion naira to fuel generators in Aso Rock. For all you care, by the priority given to Aso Rock, NEPA does not even allow the light to blink in Aso Rock. So invariably, that 5 billion naira is going to private pockets. So let me tell you clearly. The fuel subsidy removal, apart from is now opening up our eyes for us to be able to see the need to really claim our country. The fuel subsidy removal is giving us an opportunity for us to know that we all along we have been living under the groanings and the pains of very very insensitive leaders, and that is why you and I must team up with your compatriots back home in Nigeria. The fire of this struggle must not be allowed to die. This is the opportunity for the Nigerian people to take their nation, to take their own destiny in their own hands. Many of us don't even have a nation to go back to, and that is why we must ensure that this entire nonsense, not only the fuel subsidy, but the impunity that is associated with governance in Nigeria, that everything is stopped once and for all. That is what we are talking about. Thank you very much.
Nigerian people! Nigerian people! Greatest of the greatest of the greatest of the greatest of the greatest! Freedom come home by walking. Freedom come home by talking. Freedom come home by protesting. We know a lot of people want to speak.
Where the women? Where they are? Where the women are? Women, we need them.